So hello everyone. So today we are going to see the question which has already came in the JEE Mains 2023 in the first shift on 11th April. Yeah, this question is from the chemical bonding. So let us have a look on the question. For elements boron, carbon, nitrogen, lithium, beryllium, oxygen, fluorine, the correct order of the first ionization enthalpy is. So let us have a look. So what is the ionization enthalpy? Ionization enthalpy. So ionization enthalpy means there is removal of electron from the outermost shell. So whatever the energy is required to remove the electron from the outermost shell of any of the atom. Yes, clear? Now let us move. So what we are given over here, so let us write. So according to the periodic table we will write. Here we have the lithium, then we have this boron, this is your nitrogen, then we are having this oxygen, yeah, we have left with the beryllium, lithium, then we are having this beryllium, boron, nitrogen, oxygen, and then we are having this fluorine. So how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. 1 we have left. Okay, lithium done, beryllium done, oxygen done, fluorine done, we are left with the carbon. So here let us write them again. Okay. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then is this fluorine. First group, second group, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Fine. Okay. Now when you are moving along the group, this is what? This is your second period. This is your second period. And when you are moving along the group, what is happening? Your electronegativity increases and your effective nuclear charge also increases. This is your nuclear charge also increases. Means to remove the electron from when you are going this side, it is difficult because nuclear charge is increasing. The interaction between the positive charge and the outermost shell is increasing. Right? So here highest will be okay, fine. How you have to do? First write the electronic configuration, that is your NS1, it is NS2, and this is your NS1 NP, NS2 NP1. Coming to the carbon, NS2 NP2. Coming to the nitrogen, that is NS2 NP3, oxygen NS2 NP4, and this is your NS2 NP5. Now let us have a look. Okay. So if you see over here that here we have the 5 electron, here we have the 4 electron, okay, and here we are having this 3 electron, here it is the 2. The outermost shell I am seeing, yes, okay. Now if you see that this is fully filled, and coming over here nitrogen, this is half filled. Now, half filled and fully filled have more stability. Okay. They have full electrons, so they have full control the interaction between the nucleus and these. So, what is the order? Finally, I am going to write the order. So, fluorine has the most just because it is the extreme corner. Then we are having the nitrogen because it has half filled configuration. Okay. Then oxygen. Then we have carbon. Then again, here we have beryllium, then we have boron, then we have lithium. So exceptions came where? This is nitrogen and this is the beryllium. According to you, when you are going effective nuclear charge increasing, but half filled and fully filled you have to see. So this is the final order. So let us look at where it is. So fluorine has the highest, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then carbon. Okay, here they gave the boron. Let us check the another one. This is fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, beryllium. This is the right answer. C will be the right answer. Thank you. Hope you understood the solution.